Hi, good evening. I'm your coach Melvin. In this video, we are going to learn a bit detail about the importance of WhatsApp. So when it comes to a business, alright, I will always call WhatsApp as your table talk. It's a center where does your client, your prospects, your customers can inquiry or can ask details, and where does the dealing in online can be done. Because when we look at WhatsApp, especially we are doing advertising into a lot of places such like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. So all in this particular place, the client customer, they will get engaged to us into our WhatsApp. So of course, in an online business, this is what we call as CTA, call to action. So upon the looks at your ads, your write-ups, and upon they want to get engaged, this is the platform for them to come in and you can start to discuss. So in this first video, we are going to learn about WhatsApp setup. In this WhatsApp setup, we are going to look about some few important aspects how we can set up our WhatsApp to start our online business. Hi guys, alright, now we are going to look at WhatsApp. So before we move into WhatsApp business, the most important over here is we need to make sure that we have backup our WhatsApp. Alright, so to do that, okay, the first step what you guys have to do is you need to go into your WhatsApp. So once you go into your WhatsApp, alright, you can see over here there will be three dot button. You have to press this three dot button. You need to go to your setting. So once you go to your setting, alright, the most important over here is what I call as chats. Okay, you find the chats, and once you have went into the chat, you can find over here chat backup. So once you go into your chat backup, alright, the first most important before you want to backup, alright, you need to make sure to ensure that your email is correct in order. Alright, so meanings here, whatever our photo, posters, videos, link or our chats that we already communicate with our clients or friends or family using WhatsApp, it will be stored up into your Google Drive. So once it's stored in Google Drive, then when you install your WhatsApp business, you can restore back all your chats, your files, your photos, your video, your musics, everything will be there. Alright, so to do that, so make sure first you have to check that Google account is your email. Alright, so upon that, alright, so you can click to include video also, means all your video also will automatic save, and then you can press backup. And my advice over here is always you can try to do this at night, because sometimes we will be very will be take times for us to backup because maybe the file is too huge. Alright, so the best advice is do this before you go and sleep. Alright, so like you backup, then you just keep your phone, and by tomorrow morning, alright, it's already backup settled. So once it's already backup over here, guys, it's very simple. You can uninstall your WhatsApp and you can go to your Play Store, right, or you can go to your App Store. You can just go over there and you can type over there WhatsApp business. Alright, WhatsApp business, and you can download your WhatsApp business from your alright, you can download your WhatsApp business, and once it download as normal we can key in our phone number, and as a verification code have sent to you, then later you can restore. There will be a button of restore, you can click restore. So means whatever files that you guys have keep in your Google Drive that you have backup, it will be back to your WhatsApp business. Right, so once already went into your WhatsApp business, as normal, the first important things that we have to do is, alright, is to do some adjustment, or we call as setting. All right, in this setting over here, the first what we're going to do is we're going to learn about how to set our WhatsApp to become a business WhatsApp. Meaning over here means sometimes I will itself will hide my identity. It means I'm using this number 100% for my business purpose. So because as what we guys believe, WhatsApp is a counter, or it can become like a table talk for us, whereas we can deal and communicate with our clients based on whatever requirement that they ask, or question Q&A. So means WhatsApp is just like our table talk. So over here, the first important thing is you will find a word called you need to go into your WhatsApp, then later part, okay, you will see over here the three dot button. So once you press this three dot button, all right, you will find over here a business tool. So once you come to business tool, are the few features that only you can get in WhatsApp business. Okay, the first tools we're going to do is we're going to set our online shop to be perfect. All right, so over here what you guys have to do is press to business profile. First of all, of course, the profile, you can put your company logo to represent your company. All right, so that's the best way. So if you look at my logo, yes, it's my company logo. And also you will see the name will be a company name. And over here, this is we call description. So you can write a bit detail regarding on the business based on your business nature that you guys are involved. All right, and the third thing is you will see over here category. So you guys can choose what category that you guys are involved. For example, if you are with as a plumber, you're a technician, you're e-commerce, you're online seller. So it depends on the nature of business that we guys are involved. So over here is a location. You guys can key in this location, so that sometimes maybe our client or our customer or prospect, maybe he want to visit, or he want to know is this particular guys is really exist. So you can they can find it a bit detailed, right? So maybe sometimes they want to drop down to your office for that. So at least they press the location, it will links to your Google map. And also, yes, there will be a navigation for them to travel to your particular office. All right, and over here you look at down here, this is my most favorite, is what we call as the operation time or hours. All right, so as we are doing online business, my advice always, okay, we need to be 24/7, guys. We are doing online business. All right, so basically sometimes, our client, when he was like normally at night only, he will scroll his phone, he will see your ads if that's interested to him. So maybe that is the time that normally they will PM us or DM us. All right, so some of us maybe no, the shop is closed today, then how, that is the one of the reason when we are doing online business, always we have to ensure that it's 24/7. And basically we holding this phone, and this phone is with us, right? And as a company owner, founder, CEO, of course, when customer have sent a inquiry or ask some question, so at least we can acknowledge them as soon as possible. So please make sure that you're running your operation 24 hours. And below here you will see there will be your web, you can add in your email if in case your client want to PM you, or do you want to send you inquiry based on email, so they can email it directly to you. And also there's some options for you guys, like you want to put your website, if in case you have your website for your particular business, or you can even use links, or you can attach together with your social media, so that when customer, before they want to deal with you, at least they love to go and see about is this particular business is genuine, or is it true, or whatever, right? So by doing this, you might give confidence to your clients. All right, so that is the most important thing. So once you have done, all right, so your business profile is already set. So once your business profile is set, the next most important I would like to share is about the greeting message over here, right? You can see this greeting message, and you can set up some greeting message. For example, if in case your client he PM you, or might be at that time you are busy, or maybe sometimes you are engaging with some other tasks, or you're having a meeting, or you might you sleep, right? So when customer inquiry, it's important for us to acknowledge as soon as possible whatever does our client or customer had inquiry, right? So in based on that part, you can auto set. It means whatever they send, or they PM you, they hi you, or whatever, so there will be a message will automatic pop up, or you generate a message like for example, like thank you so much for connecting with Marvin Choice Resources. Please let us know where we can help you. So kindly, our officer will get in touch with you shortly. So thank you so much. So at least, you know, your client, when he got this kind of message, he feel like, okay, fine, these guys have already acknowledged to my message. All right. So that's the thing. So you can just on, and you can edit a bit your message over here. How does you want? Alright, so once done, you can save. So once you're saved, it's already over there. Alright, and the next is you will see label. This label is very important. For example, for you to label this communication, means this particular customer is already a new order, or this is a pending order, or this is already have paid, this is have a new customer. No, at least you guys can label that. Alright, and over here also you will find a short link. So once upon you press your short link, you can use the QR. Okay, and for example, and nowadays everyone have already understand the benefit of QR, right? So not only you can share this code by sharing this code to any of your friends, or maybe in the group, so that maybe they can just come and join with you into your WhatsApp, so at least they can see whatever you are selling items over here. All right, so that is one of the important. You can use your QR code. All right, and your business is already done. So now your business account, you are using a business account, so you will see your profile looks very interactive, not have few informations what you guys are doing. All right, so like next is, of course, you also guys can set some catalogs over here. For example, this catalog, it will look sounds like e-commerce, whereas you can sell whatever products that you guys have. Okay, so it's very simple. You can go back to your profile, and once you go into profile, okay, you can see your catalogs here. All right, so by creating your catalog, for example, it's very simple. Maybe you can attach with any of your product photo. Okay, and you can follow with what is the price that you're selling, and you can label what is your product name. All right, and also you can mention a bit description about what is your product that you guys are selling. All right, and also at the more field, maybe you can have any links that directly to the product for buying. If your website there's a URL for the product, or not only that, even you can later we'll be learning about how to create a WhatsApp link. For example, when this particular customer willing to buy this product, so there's some link, so they can press and they can find more about that product. So once you have done this, you can just save, and once you save, it will automatic pop up over there. Okay, right, so for example, like over here, let me share with you guys. Okay, so when for example, for this particular product, okay, this is one of the product. So you know, you'll make your customer see, okay, oh, this guy is selling this product, you see. And the arrangement of the photos, always I'll keep one of the product pictures, and one is a testimonies, and you know, some feedbacks what we are doing. All right, and over here you see they can read about what is this product all. Okay, fine. Oh wow, there's a registration form. Okay, so what they can do is they can press this registration form, and also it will directly brings to the registration for this particular products. For example, so over here I was using the link for under the Google Drive. Okay, and maybe I'm interested to purchase this product, so I can just add in. Okay, then I can view the chart. So maybe two of us, two packs. so I can press done and I can send. So when send, of course, as like you guys, okay, you'll be observing, all right. So oh, this is the product, all right. And when they send, press this, okay, two people, so you confirm already, and you see the price is mentioned there, so you can just, it will be easy for you to do your closing. So you can set all your products over here. So by doing this, you also manage to make your client to be confident on your product. So when they read everything, okay, fine, oh, there's a website. So once they're for example, once they're like if they're pressed to the website, so it goes to their company website. Oh, there's another link, it's a YouTube, so it goes to their YouTube link, right? So this is will makes the process looks more easy and very helpful for us. All right, so this is just the basic. All right, and once you're ready, yes, your WhatsApp is ready for operating. All right, so for the next, please continue the next video, and you guys will be learning more a bit how is the aspect on marketing. So till then, I'm your coach Melvin. Have a great day, guys.